Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a vegan version of Sudanese fasoolia using the Great Northern beans. I start by sorting the beans, then I boil the washed beans until they soften. Check out the full ingredient list in the description box. I'm cooking this right away because I don't have time to soak them. Once this comes to a full boil, I cook it covered until the beans are cooked. During this time, I check occasionally to prevent it from burning and to add water as needed until the beans are cooked. Once the beans soften, I set them aside and chop onions and tomatoes in preparation to frying them. To make this creamy bean stew, I fry the onions until they start browning, then I add tomatoes, tomato paste, garlic and stir to combine. I now add the spices and salt, followed by roughly 2 cups of water, and let them cook until the onions and tomatoes have softened. I'm using coriander powder, paprika, cumin powder, and salt. At this point, the onions and tomatoes are cooked, so I take this off and move the beans back onto the stove. I add vegeta, black pepper and mix to combine. Then in goes the cooked onions and tomatoes. I let it simmer on the lowest heat setting for 5 minutes. At this point, I adjust salt as needed and turn the heat off. Our fasoolia is ready. It tastes great and the kitchen smells amazing. I served it with rice and it was so tasty. I hope you enjoyed this video enough to try this recipe. If you do, kindly share your thoughts in the comments section down below. This is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching and bye for now.